Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by using live text with Translate. Make sure your iPhone is updated and camera access is allowed. Once done, open camera and frame the printed text tightly. Tap the live text brackets that appear in the corner, then tap Translate. Select the source and target languages. You can pick Auto Detect for the source. This begins the real-time translation pipeline, converting recognized characters into translated text. Keep steady distance so the camera can focus and read clearly. Next, refine recognition to improve accuracy. Move closer or farther and angle the phone so text lies parallel to the sensor. Reduce glare by changing lighting. Tap the text area to force autofocus, pinch to zoom for small type, and wait for the highlight box that marks detected lines. Once highlighted, tap individual words to reveal alternative translations and the speaker icon for pronunciation. This step reduces errors from misread characters and gives you control. Finish by exporting or saving your translated text. Tap Copy to paste into any app or use Share to send via messages, notes, or email. If Live Capture struggled, take a photo and open it in Photos, then tap Live Text to run Translate on the still image. Make sure translations are saved before closing the camera. If detection consistently fails, improve contrast, clean the lens, or type the short text into Translate manually. That last step resolves most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.